film with visual effects or मैं ये सीख चुका हूँ कॉलेज के दिनों में. I wanted to be get into visual effects as a profession. तो ऐसी फिल्म करना it's kind of a dream come true. एक dark, intense superhero play करना ये भी एक तरह से it's kind of a dream come true for me. But in a film where I didn't know how they would implement the entire invisibility, I was pretty stunned जब मैंने promo देखा. And I think that really has, the audience, from what I've gathered, जो reaction आया बहुत positive है. And I'm hoping that I'm keen to see the film when it releases. Before that, the preview, because a lot of sequences which have been shot without me. I want to see how they have, done that into VFX. Unfortunately for her,
it was very fortunate. It was very fortunate that he wasn't there. But they tried to get me to make out with a lollipop, a Bisleri bottle, what else? Yeah.
A Bisleri bottle.
Yeah, no, there was a
That's very
Bisleri
creative.
bottle. There was a Bisleri bottle in one shot, and that I think it worked out.
it's the music launch, which is going to happen on Monday. The film is releasing on 17th August, so 17th April. So please, can you just talk about Mr. X right now? Oh God, that's all I've been hearing the entire day. You see, it's like saying if there is a classic love story, every film, for that matter in Hindi cinema, every love story is a Dilwale, or every story of friendship is Dil Chahta Hai. It's not like that. It's the story has the invisibility in it. It gives a certain uniqueness to the film. There haven't been many films made in our country which have used this concept of invisibility. Yes, Hollow Man was a big hit in Hollywood. You've had Mr. India over here. That's where the similarity begins and ends, with your hero turning invisible. I can dissect these films, but it'll take very long to tell you how different these three films are. So it has nothing to do with Hollow Man. It is a standalone script. When you see the film, please don't jump to conclusions. I understand I understand the audience.
And let me butt in. I want to very forcefully tell the media that they must try and excavate the glorious journey of the Hindi cinema. It doesn't begin with Hollow Man, or should not be restricted only till Mr. India, because there was a year 1957 where my father and I, who made more than 100 films, had made Mr. X with Mr. GPCP, in which the great Ashok Kumar had played the role of the Invisible Man. So can I very humbly beseech the media, which is supposed to enlighten the ignorant people, that the only thing that you need to do is read your own history. And only if you know your history, you would be asking more meaningful questions. Otherwise, these sessions become so tiring, because you only go Google and get the information which is so restricted that it doesn't get depth to our discourse.
तेरी सांसों की सांसों में जो हूँ तो मैं हूँ, तेरे ख्वाबों की आँच में जो हूँ तो मैं हूँ, तेरे होने से ही मेरा होना है, तुझको खोना जैसे खुद को खोना, तू जो है तो मैं हूँ, यूं जो है तो मैं हूँ, तू जो है तो मैं हूँ, यूं जो है तो मैं हूँ.
ये अलग ट्रैक पर मैं चलूं?
नहीं, बचपन से तो नहीं सोचा था, लेकिन जब देखा कि सब लोग एक ही ट्रैक पे चल रहे हैं तो कुछ नया, कुछ देखिए आजकल लोग थिएटर में वैसे ही आते नहीं हैं, और ऐसा क्या है जो हम थिएटर में देख सकते हैं जो घर पे नहीं देख सकते? वो है द सेंसेशन ऑफ 3D, ग्रेट साउंड. तो ये सब चीज़ें, एंड ऑफ कोर्स विद अ गुड स्टोरी एंड इफेक्ट्स, तो ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं वो ऑडियंस को अपने घर को छोड़ के थिएटर में लेके आती हैं, जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. वरना सब कुछ तो आप अपने टेलीफोन पे देख सकते हैं.
आपकी पहली फिल्म जब हॉन्टेड आई थी, इट वाज अ वेरी सरप्राइजिंग रनअवे हिट. किसी ने सोचा नहीं था, बहुत पैसे कमाए थे, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग 30-40 करोड़ रुपए कमाए थे पिक्चर ने।
30 या 20
यस, तो
Yeah, I know he's known as the serial killer. I don't understand. Sir, why are you laughing at me?
सही जवाब।
अरे है ना, ट्रेलर में 2 है ना, है ट्रेलर में है ना 2
He's right.
ऑफ किसिंग, ही वांट्स टू नो द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ किसिंग।
I've kissed before. He's not the first one. Don't worry.
Not the Bisleri bottle and the lollipop. How was it kissing Imran Hashmi? What he wants to know, so that they get their footage and they can play it. See, they're all smiling over there.
I'm not going to be able to go home today. Yeah, come
And
on.
anyways, you want me to go home after your parents see the film.
There's nothing in this film. It's a UA film.